is Pratishtha, and I'm here to explain the grading code logic. So let's start running the code. So this code first asks whether the assignment is submitted as a single .py file. So let's put yes. And then it checks for if it has name and date. Yes. And then it asks if the honor statement is present or no. Yes. And then it asks if it has a video link. Yes. So, and then it checks for code correctness and asks how many points. Let's put 10. And then for the elegance, and then it checks the code hygiene, 10. And then it asks for the quality of the video. Let's put 10. And now if it asks whether the assignment is submitted on time, let's put no. Since we put no, it asks how many hours late. So let's say 3. Now, based on this, it calculates the student's final score. And in this case, it's 38.8. Let's quickly answer these questions now. Do the function stop asking questions when user failed an early condition? So let's, for example, let's say no here when it asks it's not in .py file. So here we can see the function directly prints grade 0 and final score also 0 without asking any further questions. So how do you deal with the fact that input returns string when you need ints to compute the total score? So usually I use int as it changes the input function of from text to integer, so it can be used in calculations. So why should you return the score as an int rather than print it? So returning the score as int allows it to be utilized in further computations. For example, here the evaluate score, it returns the score and it can be used for offsetting in late submissions.